Welcome students, and this is your new class for Science Kindergarten, and we were continuing with our chapter number 6, Meet My Family. So in the first part, I taught you about the number of members in different types of families. I hope you have gone through the video, that is part 1. In that part, I told you with the example of some flowers that in small family, how many members are there, in large family, how many family members are there, and in joint family, how many members can be there. In the second part, we went through the people or the members living in the family. Now in the third part today, Meet My Family, we are going with the relationships in our family. So what is this relationships? Importance of relationship? In a family, a house is made home when all the family members live with love and affection. So the bonding with each other and the blood relationship with each other makes some relationships in the family. So let us discuss about the different relationships among the family members. So the number 1 is your father and mother are your what? Yes, exactly. They are your parents. So, your father and your mother are called your parents. Now, the second will be your father's father. Here I am using possessive noun, that is fathers. That means your father's father. And he is called, your father's father is your, yes, grandfather. So, your father's father is your grandfather, and as I told you in part 1 and part 2, grandparents live in large family, right? So, now comes number 3. Your father's mother is your, who is she? Yes, very good. She is your grandmother. So, your father's mother is your grandmother. Now next comes your father's brother. As we saw in the second part of this chapter, they lives in joint family. Yes. So, your father's brother is your, can anyone tell me? Yes, all of you are shouting, uncle. Your father's brother is called your uncle. Now your uncle's wife. Do you remember? Your uncle's wife is your, yes, your uncle's wife is your aunt. And children of your uncle and aunt is your. So the children of your uncle and aunt is your cousins. So these are some of the relationships you live in your family. So your father and mother are your parents. Your father's father is your grandfather. Your father's mother is your grandmother. And what about your mother's father? He is also your grandfather, that is maternal grandfather. And your mother's mother, maternal grandmother. Your father's brother is your uncle. Your uncle's wife is your aunt. And your uncle aunt's children are your cousins. Okay. So this was the part where we learned about the relationships in our family. So in the next part we will complete our book exercises. Thank you.